Hey friends, it's Coach Kisha here, and welcome to this special edition of Fresh Talk. Today is a big day. I just picked up from the post office a shipment of my book, The Wait is Over, and I wanted to bring you behind the scenes as I unbox it for the very first time. Here's my box. Still have my tape. Back of the box, I got a few posties on here for privacy reasons, but I wanted to open it with you. This isn't just any book for me. This is a story of how I lost over 130 pounds, rewrote my health journey, and turned it into a method that helps women over 40 reclaim their power on or off GLP-1 weight loss medications. I know what it's like to feel stuck. I wrote this book for every woman who's ever tried all the things and still felt like nothing worked long term. It's not just about diet. It's about mindset. It's about hormones, habits, and healing your relationship with your body. This is not only a method I created to succeed with weight loss, but it's also a guide for me to stay accountable as well as to continue to help others, which is what I like to do as a healthcare worker. I felt that if I would just document and put it in writing, I not only continue to help myself, but many others along the way. And if you're using GLP-1 weight loss medications like I do, you'll find tools in this manuscript or book to help you keep going without fear of regain. This isn't just a book, it's yours and mine. It's our fresh start. So let's start with opening to see what we have. I'm going to do a little bit of cutting and get it open here. And see if we can open it all the way here. Okay. I'm excited. Uh-oh. I think I got it stuck. Okay, here we go. I ordered several copies, but I'm going to hold them all. Let's see. All right, well, here we are. Let's see. It's maybe a little bit out of focus, but maybe if I hold it back here with me. Here we are. All right, and then here is, I'm going to put the rest of these down here. All right, and so here's the bag, and that's a picture of me in my bio. All right, then we have our spine. Probably can't see it very well, but this is my first. Yay! Okay. All right, my favorite. Let's look on the inside. Okay, so my favorite part, so I'm writing this, was the introduction and just writing about all the pillars in FRESH framework. The introduction and the section on the pillars of my framework, they were my favorite. The introduction, it reminds me, it's just my starting point. And I, went back into my life and, some things that, kind of, as you think about your life and over time, that's my starting point. That is where it all begins. So I've really enjoyed writing and reading the introduction, and then just writing about the pillars that frames the framework. And though that chapter or that section actually is my grounding, my foundation, and it to keep me consistent in choosing healthy habits, and keeping a healthy and positive mindset. And, I think you're going to enjoy it all, but those two sections you really probably will enjoy, especially the one talking about how to be free with food and not be afraid of choice, because a lot of times, we can get bogged down in how we, just making a choice on what to eat for the day or for that meal. But I think, I think you'll like it all. But on the inside, we'll just take maybe just a little flip through. And I think I enjoyed writing it. I really did. And it's the first of many. But this is my very first one. And I'll make sure the link is there in the bio so that you can enjoy it as well, be able to purchase it and enjoy it as well. And if I think if you've been waiting for a sign to start or reset or, and just to get onto your wellness journey, I think this is it. And you can grab a copy of the book. The link will be in the bio. And you can also pair the book with our Fresh Start program. The link to that workshop, we do have a workshop that pairs with this book. It will be in our bio section as well. And I am excited to reread it myself, just to see the physical copy. It really makes me smile, on the outside as well as the end. And I appreciate for you being here and supporting me. And I'm excited. I just, I'm lost for words. I'm excited, and I hope that you will enjoy it as well. And when you do, and if you do, read it, or when you get your copy and you read it, come back to this video and leave me a comment so I can know see what you think and know what you're thinking about it. Thank you. And I think that's all I have for this episode. Thank you for being here with me today. Whether you're just getting started or you're starting over, I see you. And, and I wrote this for you. This has been Coach Kisha. Once again, thank you for being here, and I'm signing off.